Looking to switch your Warzone account password? Well, no sweat, I've got you covered. Here's the step-by-step guide. First off, fire up your preferred web browser and head over to account.battle.net. And don't worry if you can't remember the link, just check out the description below this video. After that, simply type in your Warzone email address and password to log into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the account overview page. Now, take a gander at the left-hand menu and give security a click. Then spot the update option next to password and click on it. In the first box, punch in your old password. Next up, in the following two boxes, concoct a new, robust password. Ensure that you type the same thing in both boxes. After that, hit the save button, and just like that, your password will be changed. And there you have it. That's the lowdown on changing your password in Call of Duty Warzone. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.